Hey, what's up everyone? Today, let's talk about something huge coming to Pakistan, SpaceX's Starlink internet. If you're a tech enthusiast, you already know how game-changing this could be. So here's the scoop. Starlink is expected to go live in Pakistan by November or December 2025. Yep, not too far away. Right now, they've got a temporary license from the Space Board. What does that mean? Basically, they can start building up their infrastructure, but to go fully operational, they'll need to jump through a few more regulatory hoops. A consultant is already on the job, working out the rules of the game. Once that's done, Starlink gets to reapply for the full license. But here's where it gets interesting. Starlink won't be alone. A Chinese company, Shanghai Spacecom, has also thrown its hat in the ring for satellite internet services. And the government? They're totally on board with a little healthy competition, hoping to bring in multiple players for better prices and services. If you're wondering about progress, the infrastructure work is already underway. The timeline and these juicy details all came out during a recent National Assembly meeting where the IT Minister Shaza Fatima dropped the news. So what does this mean for you? Super fast internet, even in the most remote areas, and hopefully an end to all those no-service zones. Plus, with competition heating up, you can expect improved services and maybe even lower prices. If you're as hyped as I am about Starlink's launch in Pakistan, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Will you make the switch?